Worries about whether we are being deceived by an evil demon or whether we persist through time and change seem far removed from both everyday life and scientific investigation. We rely on our senses to navigate and observe the world around us. How could we not? The senses are our windows to the world. But it's important to note two limitations with using the senses as vehicles for knowledge. First, as even a classical empiricist like Aristotle was aware, the senses deliver only what can be detected by the senses. Sight reveals to us colours and shapes, hearing, sounds, touch, textures, and so on. It takes a theoretical jump to get from the way things appear, a fluctuating array of colours, shapes, sounds, etc., to the conclusion that there are persisting objects that are the subjects of those changing qualities. The second lesson, which is one that Descartes was keen to teach us, is that it's not the job of the senses to teach us how the world works. Their primary function is biological, to help us avoid predators and rotten food and to find mates, not to reveal the structure of reality. As such, what the senses reveal about the world may not necessarily correspond to the way the world is. Take, for instance, colours, the objects of sight. Colour perception varies from species to species according to which colour discriminations are important to that species. The relativity of colour perception raises the question whether colours are even real or simply ways in which different animals respond to surface reflectance values of objects. Does this mean that all the senses reveal to us is the way that the natural world appears to creatures like us? But isn't science in the business of discovering more than that? Namely the way the world really is. So you see, even if we confine ourselves to thinking about just what the senses reveal to us, sceptical questions can still creep back in.